Are you ready for some silly noises? That's a donkey one which is failed. Oh no. Silly donkey one which needs a good press. It's a road runner. That's a really heard chicken noise. There we are, got all 8 sounds because chicken noise and that cavalry charge. You have to press 2 buttons together, and it's rarely heard because it's hard to do. But without gloves on you can press 2 together. So there you are, that's the Tarzan Horn. I got that ages ago, must be 10 years ago, and it's still working. Although like I said, the black box fizzled out, the smell of burning, and I had to solder in 2 more chips of voltage regulators. They're frightening them sheep. Sorry ladies. I got that years ago as well, the fake alarm, flashing LED. From A1 stores, that interesting car accessory shop in Church near Oswald Twizzle near Accrington.